Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel in Linimasa with me, Sastra. Today I'm going to talk specifically about the 10 habits that destroy your happiness. You know, these days people went crazier than before. I thought there are a few points that they missed out. So the first one is comparing or comparison. It means that you compare yourself with someone that has a higher position, higher status, or being richer than yourself. Comparison itself is the thief of peace and joy. It is detrimental to your self-esteem and it only disrupts your progress. You should only draw comparisons to your past self. So it's not about you versus someone else, but you versus yourself, your past self, your present versus your yesterday. Being better today is more important right now than try to look someone's that is higher from you. So the second one is blaming others. You are responsible for your life and how you react to anything that happens in it. So when you place the blame on others, you make yourself a victim of circumstances and take away your own self, your own agency. So in order to be truly happy, own your actions and their consequences. Every single step that you take will always have consequences. So never blame other people because you are a part of your action that you have decided already. So number 3 is being negative. Negativity affects more than just your mood and its consequences are severe. It disrupts your hormones, depletes brain chemicals and weakens your immune system. So it is your time to detox yourself from negativity. I know that some circles, maybe your friends, your family, your workplace will give you bad radiance, bad circumstances. So when you want yourself, when you have time to detox yourself, you can remove yourself from unhealthy relationship, environment, and media consumption. You have to understand in every single points to take back your negativity. And the next one is regret. I know that living with regrets will destroy any chance you want to build happiness itself. So reframe your mistakes, befriend with your past, and value as learning opportunities. So in the future, you will get more feedback about what you should do next time. Life is a never-ending cycle of refinement and progression. You should know that. The second one is isolating. Isolation is self-destruction. You never want to learn to socialize with your circle, environments, neighborhood. Coping strategies won't help you when you're sad, discouraged, feeling helpless, or alone. Social interaction and the support of loved ones are vital for your mental well-being. So that's it. Conforming. for your entire life you have been brainwashed to adhere to society's norms, like go to school, start a career, get married, and have children. That might be someone else's dream, but it doesn't have to be yours. You have your own timeline. You have your own decision. Just, I don't give a fuck about their opinion, about their social standard or anything. You are the architect of your own reality. The next one is people pleasing. Stop allowing your friends and family to influence your decisions. It's a tough pill to swallow. But you have to understand that you can't please everyone. When you try to please everyone, you lose yourself. You're not trying to take the victory for yourself instead of you losing your own self. Set healthy boundaries and abide by them. Serve yourself by being selfish with your dreams and desires. Remember, you can still say no to people. You can say no to people, but still being nice to others, right? The next one is playing it safe. How many opportunities have you missed by playing it safe? You will never able to reach your full potential if you're not willing to challenge yourself. Your choices should always reflect your hopes, not your fears. Step out your fucking comfort zone, and it works. It works well. It makes your growth being more significant. Trust me. The next one, neglecting your health. Self-care is simple. Stop overcomplicating it. Develop good habits, cultivate discipline, consistently do the work. If you aren't sure where to start, try meditation. It means like you try to give yourself space to be more conscious about what kind of step do I have to take, and then steps. Maybe walking, exercise, sunlight, take a rest, eat nutrition, whole food, no risk food. That's really important for yourself to do the self-care. It's really simple, and maybe or not maybe you can feel the change when you do this one. The next one, instant gratification. Chasing those fleeting sensations is preventing you from making meaningful progress. Discipline yourself to forego short-term pleasure in order to reap greater long-term rewards. Success requires dedication, passion, focus, and self-awareness. Remember, your habits will make you or break you. At the end of the day, the biggest obstacle you will face is yourself. So we have to understand and be more carefully doing what you're gonna do. So if you can try to master the art of identifying and overcoming the habits that harm you, you can achieve anything. Habit is great tool for you to use in this life to achieve your career, or anything you want to achieve. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next content in Linimasa. See you next time. Bye bye.